First Alert Weather is brought to you by the Medical Center.
Well, folks, down south and now in the Northeast are really getting hammered. The Atlantic seaboard, major cities like Washington, D.C., Philadelphia, Baltimore, all reporting heavy snow right now after the big ice storm that affected places like Charlotte and then down to Charleston, South Carolina, to Atlanta, Georgia, to Macon, Georgia. All that now moving up the East Coast. Pretty nice weather for us as we go through this Thursday. We're seeing lots of sunshine, and temperatures have already warmed now close to 40 degrees, 39 at the Mesonet site here in Bowling Green. We'll check a few numbers around south central Kentucky, and we're seeing still some upper 20s, low 30s in the northwestern corner of our viewing area along the Ohio River. But then you head south and east, and we start to see mid and upper 30s, and there's a 40 already showing up in Burkesville at this hour, 39 in Scottsville, 37 in Elkton, 39 in Russellville at this hour. And looking live from our weather cam down Scottsville Road, a sunny blue sky. It looks really nice, and it's feeling nice too because we've hit that 40-degree mark. And even though typically this time of the year we would say, well, it's a relatively cool day, but comparatively speaking, we've had some rough and very cold days, so that 40 almost feels balmy. 38 is what it feels like with just a very light wind from the west-northwest. We check a few of the AAA Systems weather cams. We go north to Litchfield, 34, and a sunny sky after starting with a low of 17 this morning. Munfordville, you're sunny. Your temperature at 38 in Hart County. Franklin and Simpson County starting at 37. And Russellville now 39 degrees in Logan County. As mentioned, we've been talking about the East Coast and all the rough weather that's been going on there, and temperatures in the 20s and 30s, while we're starting to see 40s, even now some 50s showing up back to the south and west of us. But all the action now is running up the eastern seaboard, and even though temperatures have warmed pretty much overall throughout the mid-south, the Ohio, the Tennessee River valleys, even out east of us, it is warmer than it has been over the last couple of days, but the problem is there's a lot of moisture going with that and just cold enough to keep it in the form of snow. New York City right now, they're saying 9.5 inches of snow on the ground. Philadelphia, well over 11 inches of snow still coming down there. Washington, D.C. getting hammered, as well as Pittsburgh and all the way down to Charleston, West Virginia. And some of the higher elevations seeing a lot more snow than that. But that system is just about done now to the east of us and moving away, which is certainly good news. High pressure for us today will keep us sunny and very nice, as mentioned, maybe mid-40s like yesterday across the area. But here comes the Valentine's Day clipper, and that is just a fast-moving cold front just in time for the day tomorrow. Now, it looks like the day will start okay, but about midday, early afternoon, it'll be rain and then a quick change over to some wet, slushy snow. The latest computer guidance is indicating that it's going to be a brief period of some wet snow because it'll be kind of warm snow as it comes in. But there could be a brief dusting, especially in the grassy areas as we get into tomorrow afternoon and tomorrow evening. So factor that into your Valentine's Day plans, especially for tomorrow evening. And as temperatures get below freezing, there could be some icy spots. But again, this is a fast-moving system. It's not going to last long, and we're going to see a warm-up after that. A big one. Mostly sunny and mild this afternoon. Well, somewhat warm. 46, then down to 30 tonight under a mainly clear sky. Tomorrow, we'll have that precipitation mix starting as rain with a high of 40, then over to some snow before it ends, then down to 22 tomorrow night. 40 on Saturday with some melting taking place with any snow that falls. And then here is the pronounced warm-up that we've been waiting for. Coming next week, good chance of rain Monday at 56, ending on Tuesday at 53, but check that out on Wednesday, 61. Back with more Midday Live in just a minute.